Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, HP DeskJet 2700 series printer, and now I'm gonna show you how to perform hard reset. Really hard, not only reset of settings, of all settings, but how to perform really factory hard reset on this device. To do it, we need to use HP Secure Reset. Open settings in the embedded web server, click Restore Defaults and choose HP Secure Erase. In this way, you will remove all associated with your printer data, all stored jobs, all country, region, web service account information, any administrator password configured for the printer. So reset all. If you want to, for example, I don't know, share this printer to others and you don't want to someone can check what you have printed, for example, and then click OK, and in this way you will erase all settings on this device. But unfortunately I can't do it because I have no inks inside of my printer, and if HP printer have no inks inside, so you have blocked a half of features of the printer. But if you have the inks, you will be able to reset it all. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.